Hi there. My name is Francisco. I'm a bilingual software sales management professional. I have expertise in growth hacking and I possess a very strong set of computer skills that have allowed me and my team to consult C-level executives and entrepreneurs worldwide on Zoho Office projects. We do this via creator scripts that you can check this out directly on our website, creatorscripts.com. We provide a plethora of services and support with anything related about Zoho. And for this particular course, you should know that this is not a developer's course or a website with hard to understand scripts. We're going to try to deconstruct the most important sections of Zoho Creator with a very uncommon approach so that you can learn how to program databases online, using Zoho Creator. And the way we do this is we focus on 20% of the commands that produce 80% of the performance. For example, subforms. If you're reading this course, you're probably very interested in learning, what the proper way to set up a subform is within Zoho Creator. People sometimes have one too many relationships, and it's hard to put everything in place the first time, especially if you haven't done it in the past. But again, with these videos, you should be able to, get Zoho Creator under control and learn how deluge scripting works in a very easy to understand and follow, how to instructions in a very uncommon and simple approach. By now, you should also be aware that Zoho Creator allows you to create dashboards. You can even create views or HTML pages about pretty much any record that you have in your database. So in this example, for example, I'm going to open up a page about a record that I have on a database. And this page, allows you to put together all kind of information, add custom buttons to it so that you can send information via email, update records or information, multiple views within one lead, and so on. If we review some of the more, let's take a look here. Referral sent. You can also set up more complex functions within Zoho Creator, such as integrating distance in miles, for example, using Google API from a specific zip code that you want to compare relative to another. The API will calculate the miles, it will return a value, and then you can save these values for reference in your database. So as you're analyzing a record with all the lead information, who the contacts are, the needs, details about the search, notes, and everything, you can have very powerful information in your hands, as you collaborate and interact with your database. Zoho also allows you to stamp notes into the database as you continue to build information about a record. So think of it as a custom CRM that you can build. You can put dates, notes, who placed this note, and what the note was about, among other things. So it's very powerful. You can then have admin sections and create customer portals where users can get to see information about their records only. So, for example, if I log in under the customer portal option and I log in as another user, this particular user will only be able to see the records that belong to her, and so on and so forth. So this is a very powerful platform. You see, her numbers show up on the screen, and all the information would be only relevant to her account, to her portal. So again, this platform is very powerful. There are a lot of scripts that you can follow, and we have a deluge scripts library that you can actually sign on or get access to as well. Over the past year, we have already created multiple integrations with different APIs and processes that you could actually leverage. So, for example, if you want to send faxes online with Zoho Creator, we already have a process in place with this. If you want to convert your local currency into another foreign exchange rate, there is an API for that. These process is very popular. People oftentimes want to enter or capture a phone number, but they want the system to automatically format the phone number for them. So this is also something that it's integrated in Creator. You can calculate the standard deviation if you're big on data and you really need to get statistical numbers about your data. This for sure is something that you're going to be needing a lot. You can integrate Zoho Creator to your Google Calendar or your iCloud calendar. You can create random numbers in Creator if you want to, come up with a random number to connect to another API. You can get images into Zoho Creator from Getty Images. You can mass update your database. You can use an API for getting geolocation data and store it in your forms. You can calculate the distance between two addresses and then store that value in Creator. You can integrate files from Creator into Dropbox. You can create barcodes for your products, so then you can run inventory and easily run reports and tag your products with a specific UPC barcode. If you open a window in Zoho Creator, there is a script to close the pop-up once the process is completed. You can integrate to DocuSign. We can sync Creator to all the Zoho Finance platforms like Zoho Invoice or Books. And you can sign documents on the cloud either using EcoSign or Adobe. If you're thinking about merging documents and then send them over to the users so that they can sign them. So again, this provides a plethora of scripts and videos about how to leverage Zoho Creator. And I hope that you find all this information helpful. Please don't hesitate to send me an email about any requirements you may have about Zoho Creator or Zoho CRM. And I look forward to work with you in the future. If the scripts shown in our library or in the videos are not what you need, if you're a paid member, we will develop the script for you, or at least send you in the right direction so that you can continue expanding and building your applications with Zoho Creator. So again, my name is Francisco. Thank you for visiting. Hope you get the most out of this course. And remember, I'm here to help. Take care, my friend, okay?